How far my people now, how una dey? As we know say every crypto traders and investors dey like the bull market very well based on say to make money for the bull market dey very easy. Even if you be new person for crypto wey just dey start and na bull market you take start, you go make your own money well. As we still dey talk, we know say crypto market dey anyhow and the guarantee no be 100% based on say you no go know the right project to buy or the right project to invest. Na why we do this video and na why you dey watch am be that, because for this video we go dey tell you everything about bull market and how you fit take make money for bull market. So before we start to dey talk about wetin be bull market, I wan welcome una to CryptoPidgin channel, the channel wey go dey talk about crypto in pidgin English and everything wey concern am. If you never subscribe, I take God beg you, try to subscribe so that if you drop any video you go dey among people wey go know sharp. Now wey you don do so, I make we start to dey talk about wetin carry us come today video. So wetin be bull market? Crypto bull market na that time for crypto market wey we go dey get positive trend for the cryptocurrency price for market, as e be say na the time wey price of cryptocurrency come dey increase by 50% value pass where im price bin dey before. So during this time na we dey call bull market, because any cryptocurrency wey you buy there or any coin wey you buy or any token wey you buy or invest on, they go dey increase in value as the market dey on bull market. No be only for cryptocurrency bull market dey. We get bull market for forex, we get bull market for stock, and e dey plenty very well. Even for real life we get bull market, because they go get that time wey be say everything go just dey work wella for you and business go dey move too. Everywhere go just dey steal, and at that time nothing concern you and sapa then. So na life bull market be that. Na the example of bull market for real life I just tell you so be that. So for crypto bull market time, everybody dey enjoy am, both person wey dey into crypto and person wey no dey into crypto, because na this time all those companies wey wan or all those companies wey dey create crypto project go need people to hire to dey do work for them. People like graphic designer, copywriter, content creator, marketers and web3 developer etc. as dem plenty. Na that time those companies wey dey into crypto go dey look for people to hire, because the market dey on a bull market and they need to follow the bull market take make their own money and take bring out project wey dem get. But as we see dey talk am, how you fit make money for crypto bull market? Plenty ways, but I go just mention 3 make you take that one hold body. Number 1, invest for project wey get value. Invest for project wey get quality, wey dey solve problem for real life, no be just anyhow project wey get quality. Number 2, invest for crypto technology wey dey promising, so that if the bull market finish, the project wey you invest on go fit stand before another bull market come. Because in crypto we get bull market and we get bear market, and as one dey finish, the other one dey continue. So any project wey you wan invest on wey be technology project for crypto, make sure say e dey promising. The number 3 for the list be make you dey try diversify your crypto portfolio. Wetin I mean be say, as we know say e no good at all say make you put all your eggs for one basket. So for crypto, no use all your money take invest or buy one coin for crypto market. Try to dey buy or invest on plenty crypto project, so that in case one no work, the other one go work. Last may I tell you say people wey make better money for crypto na for bull market time dey make their money from. So if you wan know more about crypto or know the good crypto project to buy or invest, no forget to join our Telegram group where we go dey drop better update. I go drop the link for the comment section and for the video description too, so that you fit join am, make you ma dey get update, make you ma dey follow wetin dey happen for cryptocurrency. No forget to like, no forget to share, and no forget to comment too. If you learn from this video, no forget to comment. See you for my next video where I go talk about wetin be crypto bear market, and no forget to follow us on our social media too: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. We dey all of them. For Telegram we dey too. Na Telegram we dey drop better update. No forget to subscribe if you never subscribe too. Thank you.